Meet Richard. He's about to embark on his very first learning journey on the Growth Engineering Academy platform LMS. As you can see, he's giddy with excitement. It all starts with an email. Richard has been sent his login details and a message of encouragement. It's time to get started. Superman has the Fortress of Solitude, Batman has the Batcave, and our very own learning hero has the user dashboard. This is the first page he will see upon logging into the Academy. This learning paradise is packed full of all the tools he needs to succeed. First up, there's his My Things to Do list. This is Richard's learning bucket list. If his manager invites him to take a piece of learning content, it will appear here. Any incomplete tests, reviews and assessments will also appear here. Linked to this is the calendar, which will display any classroom events that Richard has signed up for, along with any time-bound learning content that he needs to complete. In other words, the Academy is helping to turn Richard into an organisational genius. Like many other learners, Richard does his best work when he's working as part of a team and collaborating with other users on the Academy. Luckily, the Academy's dialogue stream allows him to do exactly that. Any comments, news stories, learner achievements or actions will be reported in the dialogue stream. This allows Richard to keep his finger on the pulse and provides him with an opportunity to express himself, share content and help others. Richard may be a learning hero in training, but even the best of us need some guidance from time to time. If he's ever struggling to find his way around the Academy, he can always turn on the Cool Tips option. This helps to explain what everything does and ensures that Richard never gets lost. Isn't it about time that Richard looked at some learning content? To do this, he needs to head to the library, where he will find all the content specific to his job role. This content is accessible whenever Richard needs it. When he's finished learning, he can rate the content and leave a comment. Well, look at that! By interacting with the Academy and engaging with the learning process, Richard has earned an achievement. Whilst achievements are awarded for exploring the Academy platform, badges are earned for completing pieces of learning content. Every step along the learning journey comes with its own reward. This ensures Richard's always fired up, motivated and ready for his next challenge. In fact, this is part of what makes Growth Engineering's Academy platform unique. It's loaded up with gamification features to make sure learners are fully engaged. All the badges and achievements Richard collects will appear in his trophy cabinet, so he can keep track of all his learning victories and see what else is available. As our plucky learning hero collects all these rewards, he'll climb up the Academy-wide leaderboard. A little competition often goes a long way. And as if that isn't motivation enough, Richard will also earn points for every piece of learning content he consumes. As he does so, he'll level up and earn more status on the Academy. This will also unlock new content, ensuring that his learning pathway is clearly defined from the outset. Everything on the Academy is set up to help Richard unlock his full potential. Once Richard's dug into the learning content, he can test his knowledge through a series of assessments and reviews. This will give him a chance to prove that he's taken on board the new information and will help it to stick. These will then be marked automatically by the Academy or his manager, and feedback will be provided along with any newly recommended content. And there we have it, a brief snapshot of Richard's journey on the Growth Engineering Academy platform LMS. If you'd like to learn more, head to www.growthengineering.co.uk. That's it from us and from Richard, who's now fully equipped to take his learning to all new heights. Will you follow in his footsteps?